Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are all well. So now my topic today about what is particle. So now in this video I will define what is particle. First of all you will subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. My channel name is Defaulter Physics. So now I will start to my channel. In the physical sciences, a particle or corpuscle in older text is a small localized object which can be described by several physical or chemical properties such as volume, density or mass. They vary greatly in size or quantity from subatomic particles like an electron to mass. They vary greatly in size or quantity from subatomic particles like an electron to microscopic particles like atoms and molecules to microscopic particles like powders and their granular materials. Particles are also be used to create scientific modes of even large objects depending on their density, such as humans moving in a crowd or celestial bodies in motion. The term particle is rather general in meaning and is defined as needed by various scientific fields. Anything that is composed of particles may be referred to as being particulars. However, the noun particulate is most frequently used to refer to pollutants in the Earth's atmosphere, which are the substance of unconnected particles rather than a connected particle aggregation. Conceptual properties. The concept of particles is particularly useful when modeling nature, as a full treatment of many phenomena can be complex and also involve difficult computation. It can be used to make simplifying assumptions concerning the process involved. Francis Seeds and Mark Zemanski in university physics given the example of involved calculation the landing location and speed of the baseball thrown in the air. They gradually strip the baseball of the most of its properties by first idealizing it as a rigid smooth sphere. They can be neglecting rotation, buoyancy and friction, ultimately reducing the problem of to the ballistics of a classical point particle. The treatment of large numbers of particles is the realm of statistical physics. Size. So now I will define particle size of particle. The term particle is usually applied differently to of three classes of sizes. The term macroscopic particle usually refer to particles much larger than atoms and molecules. These are usually abstracted and point-like particles even though they have volume, shape, structure, etc. Examples of microscopic particles would include powder, dust, sand, pieces of debris during a car accident, or even objects as big as the stars of a galaxy. Another type, microscopic particles, usually refer to particles of sizes ranging from atom to molecules such as carbon dioxide, nanoparticle, and colloidal particles. These particles are studied in chemistry as well as atomic and molecular physics. The smallest of particles are the subatomic particles, which refer to particles smaller than atoms. These would include particles such as the constituents of atom, protons, neutrons, and electrons, as well as other types of particles which can only be produced in particle accelerators or cosmic rays. These particles are studied in particle physics because of their extremely small size. The study of microscopic and subatomic particles falls in the realm of quantum mechanics. They will exhibit phenomena demonstrated in the particle in a box model, including wave particle duality and whether particles can be considered distinct in identical is an important question in many situations. So now I will define the composition of particles. Particles can be classified according to composition. Composite particles refer to particles to have composition that is particles which are made of other particles. For example, a carbon-14 atom is made of 6 protons, 8 neutrons and 6 electrons. By contrast, elementary particles refer to particles that are not made of other particles. According to the current understanding of the world, only a very small number of these exist, such as leptons, quarks, and gluons. However, it is possible that some of these might turn up of the composite particles after all and merely appear to the elementary for the moment, while composite particles can be very often by considered points like elementary particles are truly punctual. So friends, how is my topic about particle? If you like this topic, so subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. So now I am go to my another video. Allah Hafiz. We will meet next video. Allah Hafiz.